Hi, I'm going to do my science lesson with you. I'll just show you what force and motion and resistance, how they are related. First of all, what is force? Force is an effort that makes the objects move, or you also apply force to make the objects stop. Okay? Without force, nothing is possible. There's no movement possible. Okay, so what is friction? Friction is also a kind of force, right, that obstructs motion. For example, I give you an example. When you go for bowling, you push the ball and how smoothly it goes, rolls on the surface and throw all the pins down. But if you roll your ball on a rough surface, it will not go that fast as it was there before. So this is what friction is taking place. And you must have heard of the air resistance. My experiment is on air resistance, which is another kind of force that applies on the objects in the air. Okay, if you have few objects and you throw from the same height one by one, and if you note down the time by the stopwatch, you will see that each object is taking its own different time to touch the ground. Why? There's a reason behind it. Let's see what goes first and what is taking time. I will start with this ball. It's not that heavy, it's a light ball. Let's see. Okay. And now this is a hard block which is heavier than that. Boom! It just went in one go. And now we have this light tennis table tennis ball. Okay. And now I have the shuttle over here. And now I have a feather down there. And now I have a paper piece that's going down. Okay, I hope you observed that the paper and the feather and the shuttle, they took a while on reaching the ground, and the ball and the block took it faster. What's the reason behind this? Because there is an air resistance acting on those objects. The heavier the object, the less is the resistance. So they come down to the ground early. And the lighter the objects, the more the air resistance acting on them. That is why they took a little more time in reaching the ground. You can do these experiments at home, or when you go on top floor, you just try to throw things down there. And you see, don't forget, the force of gravity is also acting, that is bringing the objects down. But still, we have the air resistance working on those objects that is bringing them down, but with not much speed. So they are coming down, but at a slower speed. Thank you.